This is the Desview T3 teleprompter. What exactly is a teleprompter? For the sake of those that don't know what a teleprompter is and what it does, I'll break it down. You should remember how your dad used to force you to watch the news back then in those days, and you see those newscasters presenting the news live from their head without any mistakes. Well, it's actually not from their head. They are reading from a script and at the same time looking at a camera. But how is this even possible? Well, it is possible with the technology of a teleprompter like this one. Now, this particular teleprompter I'm reviewing is the Desview T3 teleprompter, and it's made for creators like myself. Okay, enough of the talk. Let's see what's inside this box already. Inside the box, you get a remote control that lets you pause, play, and adjust how the speed of the script is going to move. You also get the teleprompter itself and a case that kind of protects the glass from dust and scratches. Well, it's not actually a glass, but it's made of plastic, but it still serves its function anyways. Inside the box also is two phone holders, one for your phone camera if you are using your phone to shoot, and the other one to hold the phone where the script will be displaying from. Inside these is also different sizes of adapter rings that can be used to fit your DSLR camera into the teleprompter. And finally, you get a microfiber cloth that can be used to clean the screen. To set this up, you need to download the Desview app from your Apple Store or your Play Store, and then put those small finger batteries into the remote control, connect it with Bluetooth, and you're good to go. This video wouldn't be complete without me adding the price I bought these. This particular one costs $83, which is equivalent to 125,000 Naira when converted. If you are very good in beating prices down, you should still be able to negotiate and bargain within the prices of 100,000 to 130,000. If you are new to creating content though, getting a teleprompter isn't really a necessity, but if you have the money, you can go for it. I basically started without one, but one thing is that a device like this makes your productivity easier. You get to shoot fast with lesser cuts when editing. If you are not following me, you might probably never see my video again. If you are, congratulations, I'll see you in the next video.